In this experiment, we'll study motion using a motion sensor connected to an interface and a computer. The interface is a device for recording time-varying data captured by a sensor. This process is called data logging. The interface has both digital and analog channels for connecting sensors. The motion sensor is connected to the digital channel. The computer runs a special program that processes and analyzes the data recorded. The program can present the data in a table or as graphs. It can also analyze the data recorded in different ways. The motion sensor works like radar. It sends out ultrasonic pulses and detects the reflections, that is, echoes, from a moving body. From the echoes received, the computer works out the displacement and velocity of the object at different times and plots these on a displacement time graph, ST graph, and a velocity time graph, VT graph. The computer does this so quickly that the graphs are plotted on the computer screen in real time. Let's study the motion of a person walking away from the motion sensor. These are the ST and VT graphs obtained. What do the graphs tell us about the motion of the person? Let's repeat the experiment by studying the motion of a card held in a hand, moving away from the motion sensor at different speeds. It's easier to control the speed in this way. What do the ST and VT graphs tell us about the motion? Let's study the motion of the card, first moving away from and then towards the motion sensor. What do the ST and VT graphs tell us about the motion?